Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are unlocking the most important Olympiad math problem, that is 21 raised to power 63 divided by 63 raised to power 21. We will solve this question in a very easy and simple step-by-step solution. First of all, we will write this as 21 raised to power 63, and here we will write 63 as 21 multiplied by 3 is 63. Now we will split the power. 21 raised to power 63, here is 21 raised to power 21 and 3 raised to power 21. Now you can see we will write this as 21 raised to power 63 divided by 21 raised to power 21 multiply 1 by 3 power 21. Now the bases are same, so we will subtract the powers. So 21 raised to power 63 minus 21, and here we have 3 raised to power 21. So 21 raised to power 3 minus 1 is 2 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 raised to power 21. Now in the next step we have this one is 42 and 3 raised to power 21. Now we will split this 42 as 21 raised to power 21 multiply 21 raised to power 21, because 21 plus 21 is 42. Here we have 3 raised to power 21. Now you can see that the powers are same, so we will write this as 21 by 3 whole power is 21 multiplied by 21 raised to power 21. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. This is equal 7 raised to power 21 and 21 raised to power 21. Now 7 we will write in common power, that is 21. So 7 multiply 21 raised to power 21. It means that 7 multiply 21 will be 147 and power is 21. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.